Hi guys, this is morning 4 and we went to the beach this morning, but I didn't want to bring my phone, so I just left it in the hotel. And this is the swimming pool at the other hotel, but it was closed by the time we got there, so we just wandered around. And we're going to go for some lunch, and then you'll see us go for some dinner and also go to the magic fountain, which will be in another video as well because it's very, very long. Going to dinner, going for some tapas.
Tap ass, we're gonna tap some ass.
Yeah, we are. Let's tap some ass. Have you decided where you want to go yet?